Types of materials grades used to make mechanical fasteners. What are material grades? A grade is a way of classifying metals. A metal grade is designated by numbers, letters, or a combination of both. A metal grade is usually determined by its chemical composition, its mechanical properties, or both. There are many different organizations that create various standards for a given metal grades. Various material grades: SS304 B8 Class 1, SS304 B8 Class 2, SS316 B8 M Class 1, Stainless Steel 316 B8M Class 2, Stainless Steel 316L, Duplex 2205, Super Duplex S32750, Super Duplex S32760, Stainless Steel 904L, Duplex SMO 254, Alloy 286, Hastelloy 276, and Hastelloy C22. Check out the whole playlist for detailed videos on all materials. Thank you.